Hi Drastic Kitties, today we're going to draw a holiday wreath, so let's get started. To draw this wreath, we're going to first start by drawing the inside of the wreath. So right here in the center, I'm going to start at the center, I'm just going to draw one simple little curve. And then basically I'm just going to go around in a circular shape and keep drawing these curves. So if you're not comfortable drawing this shape, you can just take it step by step on both sides. So let's just come about right here, and then you can start on this side. So I'm not going to make it too perfect because it is a wreath, but we just kind of want to end at the same level when you're drawing both sides. So come about right here, I'm going to start to draw my circle. So then about right here. So some are bigger, some are smaller. It's all up to you. And once again, don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect, but we just want to aim to have a circular shape on the inside. So about right here, I'm going to start and come back in. There, so something like that. Like a little starburst. Okay, so then let's come, this is our center, we're going to come right on top, just give it a little bit of space, and we're going to draw a circle. So this is for our little, well, actually for our big bow right on top. And from here, I'm just going to go and draw the loops of our bow all the way up. And we're just going to bring it all the way down close to our wreath. So same thing over here. I'm going to go up. So I'm just going to drag a point across, approximately right there. So I know about how high my bow is, and then I'm just going to bring it down towards my wreath again and tuck it back in. Then come in here and draw a little loop for our bow on both sides. Okay, so now from there, let's come right up to the center. So our wreath is about this thick. We don't want it higher than our bow. So about right here, I'll give myself a point right in the center and just draw two curves. So this is going to be at the start of our wreath. Okay, now I'm basically just going to draw curves going the opposite way and all the way around. So I'll come about right here. So just imagine this is continuing. So here and there, just step back and take a look at your wreath and just make sure it's still going in the right direction. So we're just drawing a bunch of curves. Sometimes it's smaller, bigger. And we're just going to go all the way around. And finally connect it. There. So we have this circular shape for our wreath. So now comes the fun part where you can decorate it however you like. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and add some bands of ribbon. So say about right here where my crease is, just add a curve and thicken my curve to make it look like the ribbon is wrapping around our wreath. And maybe I'll add one here where there's another crease. And thicken it. So you can kind of round it off. Another one right here. So you can pick your spots where you want to add your ribbon. And one more, so say about right here. Okay, so I got my ribbons in. Now I'm going to come in here and just draw a bunch of ornaments. So I'm just going to make them circles to make it easier, but you can add whatever shape of ornaments you guys want. So some bigger, some smaller. So there, that's pretty much it for our wreath. If you want to make it extra cute, you can add some eyes right here in the center, make it kind of like a wreath face. I couldn't resist once again. So if you want to add it, you just draw a circle right here. I've gotten so used to putting eyes on everything over the years. It just feels very empty when my drawings don't have some eyes. That's all up to you. Because I know it doesn't make much sense, but I think it's okay for the holidays, right? Okay, so then let's shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Same thing on this side. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, got my eyes in. Let's make this a little bit smaller. There. Now let's come to the top and we're just going to draw a little curve right on top of each eye, and right in the center do a little smile. And let's see here. And of course you can add cheeks if you want, and I'm going to come in here with a thinner Sharpie and add some sparkles to our wreath if you want. You can come in here and just draw some sparkles. This is basically 2 curves and then the opposite way connected in the center. Just makes it extra sparkly. So here and there you can add a sparkle. Maybe one more up here. So there, that's pretty much it for this Draw So Cute holiday wreath. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.